بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Cranberry.
A small, round, red fruit with a sour taste.
Pineapple.
A large tropical fruit with a rough orange or brown skin and pointed leaves on top.
Kiwi.
An oval fruit with brown skin covered in hairs and bright green flesh.
Blackberry.
A small dark purple fruit that grows wild and is usually cooked before being eaten.
Blueberry.
The dark blue fruit of a bush, similar to a bilberry.
Longan.
A tropical fruit similar to a lychee, with a brown shell and sweet, white flesh around a round, shiny, black seed.
Lime.
A round fruit containing a lot of juice that is sour like a lemon but smaller and green.
Nectarine.
A type of sweet juicy fruit like a peach but with a smooth skin.
Passion fruit.
A small fruit with thick purple or yellow skin and many seeds.
Pitaya.
The fruit of a cactus that has bright red or yellow skin and white or red flesh with many small black seeds.
प्लीज़ हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।